Thank you, Haji. We now recognize Annalise Berano of Bombo Radio.
Good morning po, Congressman. Representative Gerville, Luistro po, kung kahit sino po sa inyong tatlo. Ma'am, bukod po sa naging itong ebidensya na binanggit ni Representative Terry doon, can you tell the public today whether there is a piece of evidence in your possession that has not yet been publicly disclosed and that you believe could significantly affect the outcome of the trial?
The least I can say is, sapagkat ito naman nun pa namin pinopronounce, yung bank documents, yung bank representatives, which even us, we do not have them yet in our possession. So during the trial, upon the subpoena issued by the impeachment court, the prosecutors, together with the other party and the Filipino people, together we will be witnessing kung anong ilalabas ng bank representatives along with the bank documents.
Okay, so magiging surprise evidence ito, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, follow up.
Surprise in the sense na hindi pa nakikita. But of course, that's part of our list of documents to be marked. Yung sinabi ni Bel kanina, reservation of documents to be marked because they are not yet available as of the moment, no? That's part of the list of documents to be reserved in our pre-trial brief, but surprise in the sense that even us, we have not seen yet the bank documents and we have not heard yet the bank representatives.
Okay. Ma'am,